How to find story settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find story settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile here and then click the storylines in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click here, this one, privacy, and then click story. And that's it. Now just here you can manage stories settings, you can manage who can reply on your story, and that's it. And that's how to find story settings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.